Hello everyone! There is one problem many of us deal with. We clean our glasses often. But are they truly clean today? I will show you a deep cleaning method using simple things you already have at home. Stay with me and see how clear these lenses can really become. First, take a dry paper towel and wipe both lenses the way most people do every day. Wipe the front, then the back, and take a close look again. Let me know your state in the comments. It is always great to see how many DIY folks are out there. The surface looks better, but the haze is still there. That tells you this is not simple dirt. Now use a small screwdriver and remove the screws from the frame. Work slow and keep the screws in one place so nothing gets lost. Separate the lenses from the frame and set the frame aside. With the lenses free in your hand, the real problem becomes clear. The cloudiness is inside the surface, not just on top. That is why wiping alone never fixes it. Pour warm water into a small tray, just enough to cover the lenses. Add a small amount of white vinegar and mix it gently. Place both lenses into the solution and let them soak. This warm bath loosens old oil and fine residue that wiping cannot remove. Take a piece of 1200 grit sandpaper and wet it with clean water. Lay the lens flat in your hand and start sanding in slow, even circles. Work on both sides, inside and outside. Use light pressure and keep the surface wet. This step removes the fine scratches and prepares the lens for polishing. Wipe the lens clean with a soft cloth to remove all sanding dust. Now, take the 2000 grit sandpaper and wet it with clean water. Sand both sides again using slow, gentle circles. Do not press hard. Let the fine paper smooth the surface and reduce the last small marks. When the lens feels even and smooth, stop and rinse it clean. Now, take a small amount of regular white toothpaste. Spread a thin layer over both sides of the lens, inside and outside. Use a cotton swab and begin rubbing in small circles. Work from the center toward the edges and keep the motion even. Do not rush this step. After a few passes, wipe the surface with a dry cloth and look again. Add a little more toothpaste if needed and continue polishing. This fine paste works like a gentle compound and smooths the surface. When the lens starts to look clearer, wipe off all residue, rinse it with clean water, and dry it carefully. At this point, the lens should already look brighter and much easier to see through. Spray a small amount of WD-40 onto a cotton swab. Not directly on the lens. Gently wipe both sides of the lens with slow, steady strokes. This step removes the last haze and adds a light protective layer. Now, take a clean, dry cloth and wipe the lens until it is completely clear. Check the surface under the light and make sure no streaks remain. Place the lenses back into the frame and align them carefully. Insert the screws and tighten them just enough to hold firm. When the frame feels straight and solid, the glasses are ready to wear again. Now the glasses are clear again and ready for daily use. With simple tools and a little patience, you restored something you use every day. This is not about saving money only. It is about taking care of your tools and keeping good habits alive. If this method helped you today, tap the like button. Subscribe for more practical DIY tips you can use at home. And share this with someone who still enjoys fixing things the right way.